Hokkaido University is located in central Sapporo, a major city with a population of about 1.9 million. The Sapporo Campus is a green urban oasis. A beautiful natural environment stretches out over the campus where local residents often come to relax and the students pursue their studies. We looked at the natural environment of the campus from early summer to autumn. The thawing of winter snow creates a colorful tapestry of waterfront areas on campus. Trees began to bud in May when the cherry blossom front reaches Sapporo, bringing color to the campus. The trillium flowers is characterized by its three-petal structure. Its shape is used in school emblem as a symbol of Hokkaido University. A flock of sheep gazes at leisure in the early summer sun. This is a sight unique to Hokkaido University. We found some great spotted woodpeckers in an unspoiled forest behind the School of Science. The cycle of the seasons supports an array of life again this year. A variety of wild birds fly to the campus in early summer to breed. Azure red foxes are sometimes spotted too. This one's watching over something. This spring, a fox calf was born. It's so playful and full of energy. We also found a pair of mandarin ducks on Ono Pond. The one on the left with a beautiful plumage is male. They breed from spring to summer. White fluff begins to float in the air on campus in late June. These are poplar seeds. Poplar trees are common sight on campus. They release white fluff into the air. It's like a snowscape during the warm season as the fluff carpets the forest floor. As poplar seeds float through the forest, red spotted woodpeckers are busy raising their young. In autumn, Gingko Avenue lights up the campus with its brilliant golden foliage. Snow fairies begin to fly, ushering in winter. The sight of these insects means the first snow of the season is just around the corner. Hokkaido University Sapporo Campus, a place rich in life. a beautiful oasis located within a bustling city where a diverse range of plants and animals can be found. This is Hokkaido University.